Hey, how are you guys? This is our first video for this semester. Hopefully you'll be watching it and asking me questions later. Forget we have a quiz on Friday, so that's why we're reviewing how to solve an equation using an equation mat. So this example is on your book, page 340, methods and meanings. So I'm just going to explain the steps that they show you. That's why I have this breakdown of four mats. As you guys know, when we have a problem like this, 2 parentheses x minus 3 close the parentheses plus x plus 4 equals 9 minus 2x plus 1 plus x. Okay, a lot of numbers, and I know this can be confusing, so that's why we use these tiles using an equation mat. So you can see the 2 and parentheses x minus 3 is represented here. 2 times x minus 3, x minus 3, x minus 3, 2 times x, and then the 4. Over here, the 9, have the 9 tiles, minus 2x plus 1 is right there, then plus x is right there. Okay, so as you guys know, what I like to do is always start by crossing out tiles that I am allowed to cross out. And by what I mean by saying I'm allowed to cross out is it a legal move? So if I have, for example, a positive x here and a positive x here, can I cross them out? Of course. I know this doesn't have the x because it's shaded, supposed to be shaded. So I hope you understand that I'm using red for negatives and black for positives. So I'm going to start by crossing out my tiles. I'm actually going to use red for that. So first tile I'm going to cross out, this one. So cross that out, and I cross that out. That's a legal move. 2 positives on opposite sides. I can do that. Now I will cross this out, and I will cross this out. We'll cross this out. Okay. Now there are no more tiles for me to cross out. I only have negative units. There are no negative units. Positive x's, there are no more positive x's. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite the tiles I have left from here over here. So I have 2x, I have 6 units. Okay, then on this side I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 positives. And then 2 negative x's. I'm going to write this down just because, okay? I have 2x minus 6 equal negative 2x plus 6. Okay, now am I done with this? Of course not. I am not done yet. I need to do my next step. So in this case, what I'm going to do is I will keep my x. This x is positive, so I will keep this x. This is the one I'm going to try to leave by itself. So next step will be to get rid of that negative 6. How do I get rid of a negative 6? With the positive 6. So what's going to happen here is I will add 6 positives. Okay, 6 positives to this side and 6 positives to this side. Watch what happens. this is like doing the steps that we did in class today, where we have, let's say, 2x minus 6 equals negative 2x plus 6. And then these 6 units that I'm adding is like doing this. So that I can get rid of this. Okay? And just like I'm going to get rid of this, I will also get rid of this. You see? I can cross them out. Because remember, when they're opposite signs but on the same side, okay? Opposite signs, same side. I'll say it again. Opposite signs, negative and positive, but on the same side, then I can cross them out, like I'm doing right now. Okay? So what's going to happen is I'm only going to have these 2 x's left. Okay, like over here, let's say I use the numbers. I get 2x equals negative 2x plus 12. Okay, and I'm just doing that as a reference, okay, in case you guys need that. So I took care of that, so I only have left 2x. Okay, 2x equals negative 2x, so I'll use my negatives. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have the top 6 and now the bottom 6. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, am I done? No, I'm not. I now need to add 2 x's because I need to get rid of this. Okay, I need to get rid of this. So how do I get rid of it? I add the same things. So if I add 2 positive x's, I also have to add 2 positive x's here. This one's too short. There we go. So I do the same thing. Now I have to shade them so I don't lose track of which ones are which. Okay, so cross this out, cross this out, cross this out, cross this out. Now I'm left with, what is this? How many x's do I have here? 4. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then I have 12 right here, so I'm going to do them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, need to shade them. So I'm just going to use numbers here because I have all positives. I can take care of that, no problem. How many x's do I have here? 4. 4x equals how many units? 12. You guys know what I need to do here. Divide both sides by 4. Okay. This eliminates, so x. 4 goes into 4 how many times? 1. How many times does 4 go into 12? 3. Okay. And that is our answer. I know this was probably a lot of visuals, but it's going to help you guys. So please make sure that you watch the video. Make sure you ask me questions. Make sure you understand this because it's going to be on the quiz on Friday. And all it takes is practice, guys. I know this is all we've been doing this week and last week. So please let me know if you have any questions. I hope you like the video. Hope you get to watch it. Okay? See you tomorrow.